That was pure chaos, dude.
Dude, honestly, it wasn't that bad. To be completely honest with you, there's about 3 sections out there that was pretty muddy. The pro race should be pretty sweet. But track was fun. Had a great time. Man, I love this place. I wish it was dry and dusty. I think it makes it more fun, but the mud was awesome today. We actually grew tires. Everything we did, we aced. So very, very happy. I mean, I don't know what else to say. I mean, we wanted a couple races ago. I mean, we've had this conversation last time. We got 5 more to go now. So that was the goal, to win the rest of them. And right now we're doing exactly what we need to be doing. And we won 2. Now we got 5 more to go.
Good ride, dude.
Let's see how this one turns. Oh, Robin is racing a pile up in turn number 1, and it's gonna be the number 10 of Chris Boric turning back the clock.
Dude, I mean, I don't know where to start. From first lap, like, when I thought it was going to be like, okay, not a bad day, and then, dude, bottom, blew out like when we came around on the third lap, I was hoping they were going to do that, the white flag, just the no 2-lap card, and then when I saw the 2, I was like, oh man, we better buckle up, boys and girls. And I'm just glad to have led all day. You know, it wasn't one of those where we had to come from the back. You know, we managed to lead all day. It's one of those things. We put those on. When we put on the bigs, I get excited. I love riding on the bigs. Truly, just they're awesome. Razor 2s all the way around are just, I dig it. I dig the bigs. No, this motor, absolutely phenomenal. My guy Tom Alaska built some bulletproof stuff. Darknox does a phenomenal job making sure these things are going to finish, even in the gnarliest conditions. We don't need them to run for 10 hours. We just need 2.5 hours out of them. And you know what? We got it today. I couldn't be more excited to get another win. You know, another legit win, straight up. And I'm excited to go to Snowshoe and get to run these bigs again. You know, Snowshoe's another biggies track. Got a 4th on a start. We'll take that. I mean, that was a good spot to be on the first lap. And dude, pumped. I really thought too that Bryson and Wyatt got us on the last lap. There was a line. It was a split. It said easy or short, hard, easy, super long at like the 5.5. And I went a super long way. And nobody taking it all day. It was nice grass, so I was able to kind of boogie. And I get to the top, and I didn't see Wyatt and Bryson ahead of me, and I was like, damn, they must have gotten us there. So I was charging the last lap, thinking we were in 3rd, and little did we know we were leading, and just run home. So nothing but excitement. Excited for this. Excited for a 3-week break. Then just got some camps this summer lined up. Hope to see everybody at my camps July 12th, 13th, and the first weekend in August. Yeah, it's good. One more before summer.
All right, you heard it, guys.
Podium, tell us about it.
That's your third
Man,
place,
it's awesome.
Bryson Mill.
Crazy day, but we pulled it off. It's so good to be back up here again.
How was the track?
Some was really good. It dried out up in the tops, but down in the holes, man, they're just bottomless. The ruts were so deep. We didn't have much trouble. It was just all the other riders, the lap riders and stuff, just scattered about the track in the good lines. We had to make our own. It's just crazy. You never know, like, what would happen. You know, somebody could be stuck anywhere. I thought it was over at times. They come around the corner and they're both sitting there. So it's like, it was anybody's day really. You just had to make it through.
Hectic day out there, huh?
Hectic day, man. We jumped off to a good start. Got hit in the first corner, and when we got hit, we lost all of our momentum and went to the back of the pack. Charged through all day long. Boy, it was a muddy mess out there. The track, there's some places it was really good, and some places just real nasty. Caught up to the lead pack, caught up to Jay and Hunter, and man, we just rolling good, having a good time. Had the lines pretty dialed, but man, the last 2 laps when we hit the lap riders in some wrong places, wrong times. You know, the bottom fell out and all hell broke loose, and we made the right choices and was able to get around. And man, we got Jay. He was at the right place, right time on the last one to make the pass on me. Wyatt tried to go for it. He tried to make it. I don't think he made it. I think he got stuck. So whenever we came out of that hole, I was in 3rd, and I don't know. I think that's about halfway through the last lap. And from there, man, we just tried to do everything we could to get some wheels on Jay, and then try to make up another pass. But man, it was both riding good. Pumped for Jay to get a podium. Hunter, good job on your win, and coming home to you, Marley girl. Can't wait to get with my baby girl. So thank everybody, and let's